Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57, and on this video I have a review for you on Shemodern products. I'm going to introduce you some new items that she has introduced. One of them being the Alpha Numeric foil stickers, or I should say foil water decals. Check them out. So they are available in different fonts and different colors that you may select. Super cute, and I was happy to see. So here's a numerical one that it has different sizes, but not only it has numbers, but it has symbols, so you may create some phrases on your nails. Sorry about the glare. The phrases, and you have some question marks, plus and minus signs, equal sign, the percentage. It's in different sizes. Super cute. I was happy to see these, and these are the ones that I got these in the navy blue, and then I also got the black ones. And these are all capital letters, as you can see. So they're in cursive, and you have A through Z. Then also in navy, I got these letters. These are also in cursive, but these are the lowercase. Super cute. Yeah, I'm looking forward to trying to get creative and try to think of what it is that I want to kind of spell out on my nails. And I was also very happy to see, of course, with Easter around the corner, I had some of these foils, the foiled eggs from last year, but I was happy to see it because now they're available in multicolors where you can select dual colors. And yeah, so I had to get that golden egg with the teal ribbon. So cute. And then the reusable, brand new reusable flexel stencils. Check them out, guys. I'm going to remove these from the bag. So I've seen these before. I have not seen these. I'm going to remove them from the plastic so we can take a closer look. Okay guys, so I had removed these from the plastic little bag, and just to show you, so because of the static, this clear plastic on the top. This is just for protection of the stencil, but it is pretty much like attached there. This is just by static, and you just peel it off like this. Was that a peel porn scene? And oh, look how flexible this is. It's so flimsy. You have to keep it against the white background so you can see. So this one that I got, yes, very soft. This one that I have it's got the diamonds here, squares, and some half moons or half circles there, and then these could be flowers. And then this other one that I have is the circles, the triangles. These are honeycombs, and these are like clovers, but also taking a closer look, they kind of remind me of Mickey Mouse silhouettes. So yeah, that's could be another use for this one. And just to let you know, the little piece of clear plastic that you removed them from, you may sandwich them back here again with this, again, to keep them nice and clean and protected. And it clinches back to it. See, it clinches right to that clear plastic. Okay guys, so what I have in mind is that I want to do a couple of designs. As of the making of this intro, I have no idea what I'm going to do yet. I definitely want to incorporate these foils, and I want to do obviously an Easter design, and maybe one other one using the letters and or numbers. We'll see how that goes. So I will leave you with the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so there you saw how I went about using this brand new Shemodern products such as the letters and the numbers. Oh, and by the way, so as I was doing the baseball mani, I was thinking of there's other things that you could spell out such as like go team or maybe play ball or things like that. So yeah, that just came up and came to my mind as I was just spelling out the goat number 8, and yeah, that was just totally made up. Okay, I do not have anyone to root for who's a number 8 but I wanted to give you an idea on how you may use those. And yeah, I mean, I was very happy how well these small ones fit on my nails. And then also after I was done with them, I noticed I didn't necessarily have to go slanted with them. I could have go straight ahead. But okay, so and this one, so using these templates, let me tell you about some challenges that I came across in using these new templates. It was nearly impossible for me to keep any debris from in between the sign, you know, the powder, when it came time to applying the top coat, which is what, you know what, and now I'm thinking, it's like, don't I wish there was a spray on top coat so that I can just spray it on, keep things intact without moving them, having to brush them, and then maybe I can go on top with a permanent top coat. But for now, what I did, you saw me how I was showing you how I just dabbed it on, and even though to keep it from being lumpy and anywhere there, I just look on the sides and then just dab it on instead of dragging it, and then use gravity to pull that top coat, that gel, more to the center and give you more of an even coverage, and then cure it. And then if you have, once it's cured, and you can go ahead and do a second coat. But yeah, that's what I did. I did my best. I mean, from far away, and you can look at this. It doesn't look too bad. You get the idea. You see the pattern. It's not like the pattern is totally broken and all merged in between the gold and the white. But on photos, when we do close-ups, I'm sure that's gonna show like there's debris all over the place. Nonetheless, I totally love this combination of the gold and the teal. It's totally inspired by the golden teal Easter egg right here against the white. I think it looks quite sophisticated, gorgeous. I'm super happy with how this turned out. Really fell in love with that design. So that is it, guys. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. And remember that I will have shemodern.com, also their website, down in the description bar below, so you guys can go check it out. And I will leave you with some photos at the end. I would like to thank Shemodern for sending me these beautiful items to play with and review. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.